I'm going to fly today without the doors on the Foxbat. I've broken out my flying suit from my paragliding days. Might be a bit chilly up there, we had a frost this morning. But there she is without her doors on. And we'll see how it works out. Okay, well, I've done my pre-flight. I've made sure that there's nothing loose in the cabin. Set my knee board, which will be on my knee. We're zipped up at the back there. Nothing is likely to fall out onto the folks below. It's a lovely calm day. Cold, but next to no wind. So let's go flying. First impression and start up. Fully windy. I've got my flying jacket up. So, assuming it's going to be a bit worse in the air, but let's see how it
Have a good flight, sir. Good day.
The Golf Echo Oscar India Delta.
Golf Echo Oscar India Delta, early information visibility 5 passage.
Yeah, sorry, I see you're busy. I'm circling in the Gosport area at 2,500 feet for your information.
Golf India Delta, Roger. Robert 205 left, altitude 1034. Basic service you have.
Okay, I'm not landing, I'm going back to Livingston, but just to let you know I'm here.
Lovely, thank you. Echo, with 1400 feet.
803, 7 persons on board, currently south of the field by 5 miles, altitude 600 feet, requesting entry to the zone, to let down at Poole in the next 5 minutes, please.
Radar, helicopter Golf, Echo, Mike Oscar Lima. Roger, and looking, Golf Oscar Lima.
Well, that's it, my flight with no doors on. The elevator control was a little odd. It was quite sort of spongy, and the trim needed quite a bit more down trim. Yeah, so it all felt a little bit mushy in terms of pitch, but I could tell you I'm freezing cold, and it's quite a bit noisier, so it's not really to be recommended unless you have a really nice day and you don't mind the wind blowing everything around in the cabin. I think the next time I go flying it'll be with the doors on. All right.